Okay, so this is why I do not make videos anymore. You shall see. Keep watching. Hey guys, this is a blowout that I've done today.
Hi
guys! And I am Mackenzie. I am thinking about wearing my hair in straighter styles more often. So it has taken me like pretty much like an hour already. No, Mackenzie, stop. It's taking me an hour. This is why I don't do videos anymore.
Ow. Hi guys.
Anyway, so I'm gonna show you.
So Mackenzie, I had this thing. I had a name.
Anyway, this is what I've done so far. So, I got my hair cut. Watch out, Mackenzie, so I can show them my haircut. This is the back of it. Not sure if you can see
it. This is her hair.
Very well.
I said, Mackenzie Dorsey. She's my baby. That's for her.
Anyway, so this is what I have left to go, which is quite a bit.
Why not say that to me?
I am doing the chase method with my
Talk about me. Talk about me.
For real.
Mommy, say mommy.
Okay, so this is Mackenzie. And Mackenzie is 3. And she loves YouTube. And she likes to pretend like she's on the camera and she say, okay, today we are gonna do this, 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 and this. But anyway, so it's my time right now, Mackenzie, and I'm trying to do a video on hair. But anyway, I'm getting my hair pretty straight, and I am using a Amica flat iron, which I've had since I was in college, which was well over about 12 years ago. Anyway, it's lasted me this long. And I keep my heat. Ow! Hey, stop. I keep my heat on around 390, 380. Anyway, this video ain't working out too well because of her.
You let me go.
But yeah. So stop. Okay, goodbye. We'll have to edit this. So this is a video of me being extremely dramatic because that's who I am. But anyway, as you can see here, my hair flow is like flowing. Okay guys, so these are the products that I used, which is the Kenra Platinum line. And I clarified with the shampoo, which is not something that I normally would do. But since I'm wearing my hair straight, I wanted to make sure that it was extremely clean. And then I followed by the nourishing mask. And I placed the mask on my ends in particular because the ends is the oldest part of the hair. So you want to make sure that you condition the ends very well. After that, I did wash that out. And then I did the conditioner, which is kind of an overkill, but I just did it anyway. But then I followed through with the blow dry spray as well as the frizz control leave-in treatment. So I kind of did double duty just because I'm afraid of heat damage. So here you go. That's what I used.